How to change color theme. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and then search color theme. You'll find different options. I have simply downloaded this one. So simply press on install. After it's installed, open the app and you'll find different options in here. Select the option you want and then click on Done at the top right corner of your screen. Then at the bottom, turn on Call Screen. Make sure it's in color phone and set as default. Then Phone Contact and Storage. Then press on Allow. And as you can see, it's processing and you're good to go. This is how to change color theme. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.